In this video, I'm going to show you how to make two types of Father's Day gift boxes. Start with 2 pieces of cardstock. It's best to use a standard 8.5 by 11. Cut both pieces into a square. Start with the color that you want for the bottom of the box. Use a ruler to draw a line from the top left corner to the bottom right corner. Then, draw a line between the other 2 corners, making an X. Fold one corner inward until it touches the center of the X, creasing it well. Repeat with the other 3 corners. Fold the edge inward until it meets the center line, making sure to crease it. Then, unfold and repeat with the other 3 edges. Notice how the creases form squares and triangles. Cut along the second square and triangle right of the corner. Cut the triangle to the right of that off. Turn the paper 90 degrees and repeat. Continue until you have completed this step on all 4 sides. You should have 4 little tails and 4 bigger arrow-looking things. Make sure all of your little tails are on the inside. Then, fold your arrow over the tail until the triangular part is flat on the paper. Repeat with the other 3 sides. Use a piece of tape to secure the arrows to the inside of the box. This is the bottom of your gift box. For the top of the box, you're going to follow the steps you used for the bottom of the box with one small change to make it slightly bigger than the bottom. Use a ruler to draw an X. Fold each corner inward, but this time, don't go all the way to the line. Fold each edge over like you did before, but again, don't go all the way to the line. Once again, cut along the second square and triangle from the corner. Cut the triangle to the right of that off. Make sure all the little tails are on the inside of the arrows. Fold each arrow over the tail until the triangular part is flat on the inside of the box. Secure it with a small piece of tape. Take 2 of the triangles you cut off earlier and glue them together so they are slightly overlapping, like this. Glue them onto the top of the box. This is the color of the shirt. Glue 3 to 4 buttons in a line down the center of the box, starting at the collar. Follow the instructions at the beginning of the video to make another box. Again, glue the two triangles together and glue them onto the box, but this time, pull the ends up so there is room to slip the tie underneath. Take a brightly colored piece of cardstock and one of your scraps from when you cut your pieces of paper into a square. Cut the brightly colored piece so it is the same size as the scrap. Measure and cut so that your tie is about a ½ inch in width. Cut the ends so they are pointed. Now tuck the tie under the collar and glue it down. Finally, glue the collar down on top of the tie.